everybody, welcome back. So I'm getting up there in age. I think I'm either 32 or 33. It becomes irrelevant at this point when you have so many kids. I thought I should probably start taking better care of my skin. So I started watching YouTube videos of different people's different skincare routines, and I noticed something that they all had in common with these little fridges to keep all the skincare in, because it's supposed to help. And so I looked it up, and then I caved, and then I bought one. This is definitely a want, not a need. It's a very first world thing to have, and so I bought one. So let's go ahead, just scoot you back and unbox it. Now I placed a whole bunch of orders all on the same day, and the one I ordered from Kmart, 20 kilometers away, has not arrived yet. I ordered this from Australia. It got here first, and both the Victoria, where Australia is, they're having some pretty serious lockdown issues, the same as us, but it got here quicker. So here we go. This on the top, the beauty fridge, and it says, "Hey babe, thanks so much for your purchase. Your skincare game just got serious. We'd love to see pictures of you and your new skincare fridge. Tag us on our socials using TBF selfie or TBF BBF so we can repost you. Lots of love, Team Beauty Fridge." Some stickers to decorate the fridge, and the invoice. Here we go. Here we go. The benefits of a beauty fridge are to reduce bacteria growth, beauty storage and organization, for calming and depuffing your skin, and extending the shelf life of your beauty products. That comes with the caveat that those products are already open. It will help prolong them by reducing the bacteria growth, not extending them past the expiration date itself. Okay, recommended for natural organic products: serums, creams and moisturizers, toners and mists, sheet masks, sunscreen, facial tools, liquid makeup products, lip and eye pencils, nail polish, perfume, and products with active ingredients. Now I got the 10-litre one because I started buying a lot of sheet masks and skincare from K-beauty sites, and I would like somewhere to put them. And once again, this is a very first world thing to have. You don't need it, but it's nice. Stand here. Alrighty. Here it is. It has AC/DC power, so you can plug this in your car if you want. I guess you could pop it in your caravan, or if you have to go on an overnight drive, you can keep a few things. It's got hot and cold functions for if you wanted to put waxes, or I'm guessing warm towels and things like that. Handles on the side. It's got a tempered glass front, and inside it's got, what's this? It's just the manual, how to set it up, and 2 cords, one for your car and one for your household outlets, and the little fridge for your sheet masks, and these shelves are removable, so you can put taller products in there. This is my little skincare fridge. Now we're going to go ahead and get this all set up. Here it is, all set up. You're supposed to wait about 30 minutes before you put anything inside to give the fridge itself a chance to cool down. She does have a quiet hum, but then most refrigerators do. Now if you would like to find this particular beauty fridge, which is a 10 litre one in the colour Aqua, you can go to thebeautyfridge.com.au and you'll find it there, along with a smaller 6 litre one and some other facial accessories with the facial globes and some skincare items as well. So I hope that this helps me up my game in becoming a YouTube pretty person and getting me better skin. I'll see you in another video.